Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice move. When you consider where the price was to then where it ultimately closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a very nice move. But this also leads to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area, in order to best illustrate this, I want to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. And that area is right here at 90 cents. Why is 90 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 90 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this channel that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say a pretty drastic pullback happens, not saying this will, but let's say the price does something like this. So even after a very drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right there. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this situation, I'm defining quote unquote progress as 90 cents. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, pretty clear cut right up there around the $1.30 mark. Is where the sellers are currently residing. The bulls tried several times this afternoon, as you can see, to get up above that area, but just couldn't quite do it. So $1.30 will be public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.